Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonates with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So today's reading is about the October monthly prediction for the zodiac sign of Cancer. So let's see, Cancer, what October has in store for you. Okay, so we will look into the messages from the angels' answers, the life purpose, and the romance angels later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So, Cancer, for the month of October, we have for you from the tarot deck the Six of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Ten of Wands. Okay. We have the Nine of Wands. Okay. We have the Four of Pentacles. Then we have the Queen of Swords. Okay. We have the Three of Swords. Okay. We have the Page of Swords. Okay. And we have the Page of Wands. Okay. So, Cancer, I feel that, in the month of October, you are going to focus on yourself and your career. Yes. And yes, I feel in the month ahead, yes, you are going to be, remembering your past memories, and, you know, that is going to cause you stress and worries. Yes. And also, I feel that, there are a lot of responsibilities on you, could be at your work, or also for some of you, it could be because of a relationship you are feeling too much of burden as well, too much of worries and tensions. Yes, you are feeling too stressed as well. Yes. And you are remembering uh, the old and happy times. But yes, Cancer, in the uh, month of October, yes, you are getting rewards for your hard work at work, and also, in love situations as well. You are going to, get whatever that, you have been, yes, both of you have been putting into this relationship. Yes. um, Also, for some of you, you could be, yes, getting some financial rewards for your work as well. Yes, your finances are going to improve in the month of October. You are going to be very sound financially. Yes, you are going to be very sound and secure as well. But also, I feel that, in the month of October, uh, people could be, demanding a lot of your time. Yes. and you are going to feel too much stressed, and you are going to feel that all of your energies have been drained, because you have lot of responsibilities at work, and also because of your relationship, and also lot of people are demanding your time. So you are feeling really stressed, and yes, overloaded with lot of things in the month of October. And also, uh, I feel that in your relationship, yes, for those of you who are already in a relationship, I feel that only one person, yes, only one partner could be putting that extra effort, to keep this relationship moving forward. Yes. And also I feel that yes, there are some issues in your love life, and you know if it's an unhealthy relationship, yes, if your relationship has somehow become very toxic and very unhealthy, then I feel that yes, some of you, you could in this relationship, and yes, you could move on with your life, yes, towards new beginning. And also I feel that um, the issues, for some of you, the issues could be because of one of your parents, I feel because of a mother as well, yes, for some of you. But yes, I feel that you are going to end this relationship if it's not serving for your highest good as well. Yes, if the relationship has become too unhealthy, then you are going to move on. And yes, a new person is, yes, going to come into your life, and I feel that this person is going to be very intelligent and very creative at their work as well. Yes, very intellectual person. And yes, I also feel that a lot of new opportunities then yes are going to come your way in the month of October. And yes, also uh, some news, yes, is going to come into uh, your way, yes, in the month of October, Cancer. And yes, you know I feel that before you move ahead, yes, you need to check everything, yes, and plan and organize. Yes, you need to be very careful about whom you trust. Yes, and you need to uh, check everything, analyze everything from your part before you move further. Yes, and also while making any financial decision as well, you need to be uh, be very careful, and also you need to check every details. Yes, and also uh, I feel that you are going to learn something, yes, something new. And also I feel that in the month of October, some of you are going to share your experiences. Yes. Mm, and also you are going to put yourself first in the month of October. Yes, uh, you are going to be a very strong person at work, and also emotionally as well, as you move ahead you know in the month of October. Yes, and you are going to get out of that emotional pain as well, as you move further in the month of October. Yes, and I feel that yes, you are going to be, focusing a lot on your career. And yes, also, uh, you know, I feel that some of you, um, you could be from Europe, some of you could be from Greece, South Africa, Vietnam, yes, and also I feel that some of you could follow Islam religion. Yes, I'm getting that vibes. Yes, and yes, also I feel that you need to uh, write and you need to express your thoughts in the month of October. Yes, and yes, you are becoming very practical, very successful at work as well. Yes, some of you, yes, you could be getting into some, higher positions at work as well. Yes. Um, Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. Yes. So we have for you, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Okay. Then we have, let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Okay. Then we have, express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Okay. And we have, flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. Okay. And we have, healing family issues. Okay. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay. So, yes, Cancer, yes, for those of you who are single, yes, that new person that is, coming your way, they could be different from what you expected of how your partner should be like. And I hope that the cards are visible to you. Yes, and also yes, I'm saying that yes, that new person could be different from how you expected your partner should be like. So yes, you need to keep an open mind. That is what angels are guiding you, because you both could be uh, you both could have different lifestyles. Some of you could have different, come from different geographical backgrounds as well. And yes, you know also your yes, your upbringing as well. Yes, that could be also very different. You could, like, your family and your lifestyles, yes, that could be very different from each other. Yes, like some of you could be from a very traditional family, some of you could come from a very modern family as well. Yes, so there are certain differences. Yes, but you need to keep an open mind. That is what angels are guiding you. And also you need to let go of any fear and any past hurt and anxiety. Also, you need to let everything unfolds naturally, and you need to let go of trying to hold on to things and control things in your love life as well. Yes, and you need to allow everything unfolds on its own. Yes, and yes, for those of you who are single, yes, someone new is going to come into your life, and yes, they are going to express their love to you. Or also it could be like, you could be expressing them about your feelings. Yes. And also, yes, you need to, you know, spend some time together, and you need to be, you need to enjoy, to have a fun, and you need to be very light-hearted person. Yes, you need to enjoy those moments and create some playfulness, yes, in your relationship. Yes. And we have healing family issues. So yes, for some of you, as I told you earlier, yes, there could be some issues uh, in your relationship, could be because of some family member as well. And also, yes, you need to forgive each other parents as well. Yes, if that is what is affecting your love life. So yes, let go of anything, any past anger. Do not hold any grudges towards other people. Yes, towards each other's parents. Yes, forgive them, and yes, your love life is going to benefit. But for others, like for whom that relationship has become really toxic and really unhealthy, so yes, for those of you, yes, you people are going to move on from this relationship. Yes. And as you move on from that unhealthy relationship, yes, someone new is going to come into your life, and they are going to express their love. But yes, you need to keep an open mind. Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the Life Purpose Oracle, and how your career is going to be in the month of October, Cancer. So, we have for you from the Life Purpose Oracle books. Okay, you connect to your life purpose through your involvement with books. Okay, we have author. Okay, you have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it. Okay. And then we have light and love. Your purpose is to bring divine healing, light and love to this world. And we have travel as well. Okay. And we have counseling. You heal with kind words, wise advice, and an empathetic ear. Okay. So, yes, angels, they are guiding you that yes, you need to share your experiences. You need to uh, start writing about your experiences as well, because yes, you know you have experienced so much. Yes. And you know uh, you need to share those experiences to others. Yes. And you help other people heal with your kind words. Yes. And you, as you express your thoughts, as you write, and yes, you are going to heal other people and help bring light and love into this world. Some of you could be traveling, yes, in the month of October. And also, I feel that some of you could travel because of some work as well, maybe to share your experiences with other people. Yes, that is also possible. Now, let's see what guidance do we have for you from the angels' answers. So, from the angels' answers, we have for you improving health. Okay. Then we have the situation will improve. Okay. And we have let go. Okay. So, yes, angels, they are asking you that, you need to make healthy choices, and you need to start taking care of your health as well. And they also want you to know that your health is going to improve in the month of October. Yes, and also I feel that you are going to heal from your past pain. Yes, from that emotional pain as well. Yes, you are going to come out of that negative emotions and negative energy as well. And also angels, they want you to know that things might things might look difficult, but yes, the situation is going to improve in your life in the month of October. Yes, uh, it could be like you might need to put that extra effort, but yes, things are going to get better for you, Cancer. And also angels, they are guiding you that you need to let go of any unhealthy relationship. Yes, anything that doesn't serve you. And also you need to let go of any desire to control anything. And you need to ask angels for what is that you want you know from them. And you need to leave the rest to the angels. Yes, you need to let go of any control issues, you need to let go of any past hurt. Yes, that is what angels, they are guiding you in the month of October. So yes, that was all for you, Cancer. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Cancer. I hope you all have a good month ahead. Yes, may angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.